Alright, so I'm gonna flock the dash. I just got it taped off where I don't want. I'm just gonna do the top. I pulled all the stuff out so I don't have to tape it off. Why leave it in there? I'm gonna do the sides, the top, the inside of my glove box, and these pillars, but you know, that early 2000, late 90s style. My cousin had a monster tack screwed to it, so I gotta fill that. And then I got a little bit of cancer right here. The window was leaking before, so I'm just gonna fill that so it's smooth. I mean, the flock would probably cover it, but those holes definitely not. I gotta go in the house and I'll show you the stuff that I got. Alright, so I just brought this stuff out here. So this is basically all you need. You need something to put it on with. You need the glue, the flock, some rollers. So I gotta touch up the edges on those side panels real quick and sand these down, just so. You shouldn't use glazing putty to do that, just FYI, but I don't really care. They're side panels, so it's not that serious. Yeah, I'm gonna get to it and keep you guys up to it. Get back to it. Alright, so that's gonna be a mess. Just fill that up. Lay down the glue. And then we get the flocking. It's coming out really good. Gotta do the dash now. Yeah, back to it. Alright, so it is done. Can't really tell because it's doing what it's supposed to do and not showing light. But it came out really good. That's tape. There's tape over the hinge so it doesn't mess with the hinge, but that's all I really cared about. That other stuff you can't really even see, so that's gonna look really good. I'm glad. And you see, you can't really see any of the imperfections. So yeah, like usually, you already know. Get back to it. Alright, so this is the final bolt up. That's the center piece that I'll be running. I'm going to cut those out, and then I have a vintage air controller that goes in the center. The dash is flocked. That one's got a bubble up because of that thing. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. They just pop in, so they sit in there fine, but this one's perfect. But the other one, not so much. I flocked the pillars, the top part. I think I showed you that. Well, I don't know if I posted that yet, but yeah, I might put it in this video. So that's basically it. It's still super dirty, but it came out really good. My tarp blew down in the wind, so you can't really see. It's super bright. So yeah, that's it. She is in a panel, so if I can get that over here, that's up on that piece, we're good to go. So. Yeah, we will see. So, let you guys see it. Finished form. Gauges will be, I'm going to do the red face, and then I'm gonna put a fuel level here and a boost gauge because it will be a turbo build, but I don't know if I want to do that because I still have the screen for the Holly that I was going to put like right here. So I don't know if that'll work with all. I don't think it'll work with the 2 gauges unless I can get them like up here and like up higher. If I can get 1 gauge like right up here and then another gauge here, it won't work though, because the smallest gauge that they have I think is like 2 1/4 or something like that, and that's like perfectly down the center. So I don't think that's gonna work. I don't know where I'm gonna put the controller. Then I might just put it right here, or maybe like over here, because the vintage air is really small. It's like maybe 3 inches. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, and any questions I'll try and help with. Thanks for watching like usual. Yeah, get back to it.